If the color of our lips is black, it doesn't look very comfortable. There are various home remedies to make dark lips fair or pink. In today's episode, I will show you a home remedy that will turn your lips from black to pink if you use them regularly. If you are new to this channel, you can subscribe to this channel, because it can be a great collection for you. To prepare the remedy, first pour a generous amount of toothpaste into a glass bowl. I have used Colgate toothpaste here, but you can use any white toothpaste from any company. Toothpaste helps to remove stains easily from soft skin. Now pour a teaspoon of raw honey into this bowl. Honey helps to clear the dark spots on the lips and will help to soften your lips. Honey is the natural ingredient that helps our lips to pink color the most. Now pour 1 teaspoon of glycerin into this glass bowl. Glycerin is very beneficial for our skin. It smoothens the skin, removes dark spots, and helps to make the skin soft and supple. Glycerin is one such ingredient. If you use it, you will also get rid of the chapped lips problem. Now mix all the ingredients very well with the help of a spoon. Remember that the mixing should be done properly and no ingredients should remain unmixed. You can always use this home remedy. Since it is made naturally, it has no bad side effects, and it will not cause any harm to your skin. Now apply the mixture nicely on your lips. I'm showing it on my hands as an example here, but you'll do just as well on your lips. Wait for it to dry after applying it on the lips. After it dries or after about 20 to 30 minutes, wash it off with clean normal water. You can use this home remedy 3 days a week to get soft and pink lips.